Friends, this is a cooking log. We'll cook weight loss recipes. So this is mung dal. This is mung dal sambar recipe. And here is if in Vedic cooking, the food should have all the tastes. So this is raw mango. Raw mango. And tomato may give some bitterness and again sour taste. And there are carrots. Carrots give some sweet taste. I'll add water. Now I'll add turmeric. These days people take some medicines with turmeric, but in Vedic cooking almost all dishes have turmeric, so we don't need to worry. And to reduce the gas giving quality of the mung dal, we'll add asafetida. And sambar, for sambar we have to use always sambar powder. So this sambar powder doesn't have onion and garlic, so I'll add 2 teaspoons of this. Now we will cover it. I'm cooking in Instapot. I don't use pressure cooker. This is also pressure cooker, but it's electric. It's very safe. So I'm putting in manual mode for 30 minutes. So I'll come back after 30 minutes. Now let's see what happened to our mung dal sambar. So when it's ready to open it and look at it, what happened inside it. And here you go. If you find water was less, add water and boil again. And if you find the water is too much, then boil it a lot to reduce the water. But I find the water was enough. Now I will season it. For seasoning, I'm using sesame oil. When it's hot, I'll add this kind of mustard. Be careful, mustard is gonna pop up. And you have to wait until it pops up. So it started popping up. When mustard starts popping up, I'll add pink seeds. And that's it. Very fast. Take it to the sambar. So, Prabhupada used to say that if this sound comes, then food will be tasty. And at the end, as usually, I'll put salt. Salt and cilantro. And mung dal sambar is ready for offering.